Hey, thanks for stopping by the channel. I'm Justin Lloyd. I have my neighbor Eric here with me, and we're going to review something a little bit different today. It's not whiskey, it's not barbecue, it's a humidor. Stick around. Well, got a big box in between us.
Yes, we do.
A little bit awkward, but we're going to get through this review of this Needone humidor. So this thing, you want to tell me a little bit about it? I'm not a cigar guy, but my neighbor Eric is certainly a cigar guy, and he has a humidor at home. This is actually going to be gifted to him for him coming by and helping me out today for this review. So Eric, what can you tell me about this thing?
Well, Justin, thanks for giving me the opportunity to come and review this with you.
Yeah.
I actually took the time to read the instruction manual, and believe it or not, this little baby can fit 150 cigars. It's got a hydrometer on the bottom, tells you what the humidity level is, and it's got a hydrometer on the top that you can set to your ideal setting. Earlier, Justin says, what is your setting at? I looked at mine right before I came over, 65% humidity. So good quality craftsmanship, wood grain paneling, nice durable shelves that you can pull out and pull back in. What else can I tell you about it? It's quiet.
It is, yeah, it's on right now. Obviously, you can see the light, and I don't hear a thing.
Don't hear a thing.
No.
The lighting inside, which we've turned on for you, will look spectacular. And there's a little water dish on the bottom that you fill on occasion to get your humidity level up to where it wants to be. So I'm excited to try this out and see if it keeps my cigars moist.
I'm going to go ahead and open this door so you guys can get a look at it.
All right, Justin asked me to explain the configuration of this humidor. First of all, neat name, Needone. Plus and minus sets the humidity inside, as well as a light switch on and off. Let me open this bad boy up for us. Very roomy, high quality, built-in sliding cedar trays.
Very nice.
Secondary cedar tray.
Yep.
And finally, the hydrometer.
So is that plastic deal? Is that where you put water?
That's where we put our water. We fill it up with clean water, put it in there. The hydrometer for the internal temperature is there, and the desired temperature is out here.
Oh yeah, so you can adjust the temperature there and turn the light on and off.
Off. Yeah, it looks like a great statement piece in anybody's home.
Sure.
It just doesn't look very good right now since there aren't any cigars in it.
Well, you're about to remedy that.
Yes, sir, I am.
So Needone was gracious enough to include a discount code. Now this does retail for $189 online. So if you use the discount code that I put in the description box below, you obviously will save some money. So what's the real advantage of having a humidor? I mean, I've seen people just stick their cigars on shelves. Why not just do that?
It's the same effect as having a grape turn into a raisin. It's going to shrivel out and all the humidity is going to go out of it. It's going to be hard to smoke. Back in the day, Bud Light had drinkability factor. The smokability factor of your cigar goes way down without a humidor or without keeping it at the right temperature.
Oh, okay. Well, that kind of makes sense. I guess, you know, it's made out of leaves, right? So it would just dry out just like a leaf would in the fall.
Absolutely. Yeah. And quality cigars, if you're buying them from an online retailer, are generally retailing for about $150 for 20. So this is a protection in your investment. Now, if you want your Swisher Sweets, we don't necessarily need this. But I've never met a Rocky Patel or an Olivia I didn't like, and this is my insurance policy to make sure that they stay in quality condition till I convince Justin to come over and smoke one with me.
So, I mean, this is a nice looking humidor. It's got the wood grain. We kind of showed you on some B-roll what it looks like on the inside. Would this be a good entry-level humidor, or is this something that's a little more high-end, or somewhere in between?
This is mid-grade level. It's not entry-level by any means, but They make these fairly ornate at some point, but it's supposed to be a display case to pique interest, and obviously they've done a good job with the accent lighting and the wood grain paneling.
Yeah, it looks really cool. I'm not into cigars, but I want one of these for some reason. If you don't mind, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's going to help us out a lot. It helps us grow. We're a small channel, and we certainly appreciate it. Eric, thanks for stopping by today.
My pleasure.
We'll see you next time.